Hi. This is the last of the elision. 3. Elision in single words. Elision also happens inside individual words. Remember, these words are usually fully pronounced when spoken in isolation. But in natural sentences, or when they're not emphasized, some sounds get dropped. Examples. Pronounced individually. In a sentence, elided form. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. I'd like some chocolate, please. Different, 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 different. That's a different idea. Camera, 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 camera. She bought a new camera. Interest, 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 interest. This book caught my interest. Family, 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 family. They're visiting family tomorrow. Every, 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 every. I go there every day. More examples. Library, correct, comfortable, suppose, temperature, polite, probably, memory, history, favorite, restaurant, several, general, governor, vegetable, Wednesday, business. Nicely done. We are done with elision. Now let's go on to reduction in the next video.